Extreme heat is no longer a future threat. It's here, now. Every year, extreme heat kills more people than floods, storms, and wildfires combined. This isn't just about temperature. It's about health, water, energy, transport, jobs, and the cities we call home. But there is good news. We can beat the heat. Cool roofs, more trees, shaded streets, water fountains, cooling centers, early warning systems, smarter urban design. That's why cities around the world are coming together. 50 cities, one shared challenge, one shared response. Introducing 50 at 50. Because the time to prepare for extreme heat is now. Beat the heat. Now for climate.